If your vehicle suddenly switches from all-wheel drive to two-wheel drive mode, it's not random, it's a built-in protection feature. Modern AWD systems constantly monitor temperature, fluid pressure, wheel speed, and electronic signals. When something looks abnormal, the system limits power to prevent costly drivetrain damage. While it can feel alarming, this warning is often your vehicle's way of asking for attention before a bigger repair is needed. Important steps. 1. Check the dashboard for warning lights and scan the vehicle for diagnostic trouble codes. 2. Inspect transfer case and differential fluid levels and top off or replace if needed. 3. Look for signs of overheating, especially after heavy towing or off-road driving. 4. Examine wheel speed sensors and wiring for dirt, corrosion, or visible damage. 5. Check related fuses and electrical connections tied to the AWD control module. 6. If the issue persists, perform a professional scan to analyze live data and confirm whether a sensor, actuator, or control module is failing.